I'm working on a little project that can set up I want to eventually set up I think they call it a pi camera that detects plastic. So I got right now, I'm just building a model that can identify plastics and the difference between plastic and fish and water and different sea items and stuff like that. And right now I'm just using Claude to help out with the coding and development part. Right now, every time I click, I get something like this, which I don't think correct, even though it might take the last one when I enter label, new label two, add label 2933. See, that's might be the last coordinate of this drag, and that's be the last outer box, not the inner box. Sis. And what I wasn't sure was the AI going to know that from looking at the image, or see, when designing AI, you got to really just think of numbers, but also think about the model you're using and the development tools you're using. So I think I just got the new code to fix that problem. Image is loaded. It says instead of drawing directly on the pix map, which was called in the yeah, I don't think that I wanted to draw on the widget. That would mess it up even more because the widget do not identify the picture correctly. I'm guessing. So let's see if this is correct. Let's see if it's not. I don't think it's going to work because last time I tried to do something like similar and it was not correct. This is not a good time for my computer to be formatted. I knew something was wrong. Where we at? Line 31. Local self. Let's put the indentation block after function. 28. Okay, I see what happened. This is over 100 lines of code, and I don't know why Claude expect me to look at this and take from here and go back into my code base and insert that into here from this and just figure out and replace the thing that was missing. Like, come on, that's a little hard for me, Claude. But Claude is better than Claude is more stronger and smarter than GPT to me. For heavy computation, I use Claude. If I know that I for but for also for complicated things, I use Chat GPT. But I know that it's going to take me a million prompts to get it done. And Claude do not bullshit. Do not. I'm sorry. This Claude do not bull crap with people. Claude always make sure the response is good. After a while, ChatGPT, after your little credits run out, it start acting differently and start giving you bad answers and stuff like that. All right, let me try to do this way. See if it fixed the problem. This is the full code. Should work. Format it to. Now it's a low image. Now the problem is going to be the image not recognizing the image. Like I see, yeah, That didn't work at all. Oh, it's some overlaying. Come on, Claude. I mean, it's better to show the AI than just type it up. With Claude, you can show images. That's one good thing Claude have. And GPT just introduced that into his free subscription thing, where you can snip an image, and I can explain it better. Supposed to interact. I guess because it's a what do they call it? A GUI, that the image is not properly done it. I'm gonna say go back and just fix the gosh. I'll just go to GPT next and try to do it. It only got about two more messages left, and once it got two more messages left, and also this is my first time recording on this laptop. I only got two more messages left, so I don't know what's going to happen with this. This is also a new project. I usually don't record new projects, but since it's something positive and something for a good cause, cleaning the ocean, cleaning water, I think this is a good project that I could show people, and maybe people can help me develop this project. This is a personal project. This is not a project for Circulartextapps group. Something is going on with the group right now, but I still have access to the channel, as I will upload this video to the channel once this is over. Okay. Let's see if this works. Load image. Okay. Plastic one. That seems about correct. And then the AI would just take over from there. And I would show you guys the next step, but this is really a new project. But sooner or later, to make things better and make the AI understand a little better, I would say I would put something in this image. Say I would put like a picture of a fish over here, and then don't circle the fish, and then the AI will see the fish and know that the fish is not plastic. That's like the next step that I'm gonna take, but I'm gonna have to see what's going on with this code. Make sure everything's good with this and it's saving correctly. Save label. Okay, labels. Let's say P1, P2. Okay, and it should have saved over here. Go check that out. Okay, this look cool. Plastic one. So we got this. Labels or images. We will have the image. Could I duplicate? I'm not sure if you can duplicate it. Okay, I think everything should be done for today. Thanks for watching. This is Abdul from Circulartextapps Group. Hopefully things are back in play this year for us to keep going on and keep making great entertainment things like our filters and stuff.